Have you ever wondered how animals communicate with each other in the wild? It's a fascinating spectacle, a symphony of sounds, movements, and signals all aimed at survival. Each species has a unique language, a secret code only understood by its kind. Consider the chirping of birds at dawn, the buzzing of bees around a flower, the howling of a wolf under the moonlight. These aren't just random noises, but a complex system of communication. Animals express emotions, warn of danger, attract mates, and even navigate through their surroundings using these signals. But it's not just sounds. Animals also use body language and chemical signals. A swishing tail, a raised mane, a released pheromone, each gesture and scent carries a message. In the heart of Africa, within its vast savanna, resides a creature that has perfected this art of communication over millions of years. In today's journey through the wild, we'll be focusing on one animal in particular, the African elephant. Just who is this majestic creature we call the African elephant? The African elephant, a gentle giant that rules the vast landscapes of Africa, is the largest land animal on Earth. A full-grown elephant stands up to 13 feet tall at the shoulder and can weigh as much as 10 small cars. It's an astounding sight, one that leaves you in awe of nature's grandeur. These colossal beings are herbivores, feeding primarily on grasses, but they also consume large amounts of tree bark, roots, leaves, and small stems. An adult elephant can consume up to 300 pounds of food in a single day. Imagine that. It's akin to eating around 1,500 average-sized apples daily. It's a diet that matches their immense size and fuels their equally large daily activities. Their habitat is as diverse as their diet. From the dense African jungles to the vast savannas, elephants leave their footprints on a wide range of ecosystems. Their presence plays a significant role in shaping the landscapes as they knock down trees and uproot vegetation, creating paths for smaller animals. But what truly sets these gentle giants apart is their intricate social structure. Elephants live in tight-knit matriarchal groups, led by the oldest and often the largest female. This matriarch holds the memories of the best feeding areas and waterholes, knowledge that's crucial for the herd's survival. Communication plays a vital role within the herd. From the tender touch of trunks to the low-frequency rumbles, elephants communicate their emotions, intentions, and even warn each other of impending danger. These complex forms of communication reflect their high level of intelligence and emotional depth. With their enormous size, diverse diet, and varied habitat, the African elephant commands our attention. Yet it's their intricate social structure and sophisticated communication that truly captivate us. These elements form an essential part of their survival and reveal a level of complexity that continues to intrigue scientists and animal lovers alike. With their complex social structure and communication, elephants are truly one of nature's most fascinating creatures. But how exactly do these gentle giants speak to each other? Well, when we think of elephants, we often picture their iconic trumpeting calls. Yet, this is only one note in an entire orchestra of communication. The language of these giants is far more intricate and nuanced than we can immediately perceive. Elephants communicate in a variety of ways, and one of the most fascinating is through infrasound. These are low-frequency sounds below the range of human hearing. Elephants use these powerful low rumbles to communicate over vast distances, with some sounds traveling over 20 miles. These messages might be declarations of availability for mating, warnings of danger, or simply check-ins with distant family members. Apart from these long-distance calls, elephants also use a range of other vocalizations. Roars, grunts, squeaks, and snorts all form part of their extensive vocal repertoire, each with its distinct meaning. These sounds are often used in social interactions, allowing individuals to express emotions, intentions, or needs. But the language of elephants isn't just auditory. They are highly tactile creatures, using touch as a means of communication. The intertwining of trunks, a gentle touch on a companion's flank, or a playful push and shove all convey different messages within the herd. They also use their bodies to communicate, with postures and movements speaking volumes about their mood or intent. Elephants also possess a keen sense of smell. They can detect pheromones and other chemical signals released by their herd members, adding another layer to their complex communication system. Their language is an intricate dance of sounds, touch, smells, and movements, all working together to coordinate their actions and ensure the safety of their herd. It's an ongoing dialogue, a constant exchange of information that binds the herd together and allows them to navigate their world. The language of elephants is a testament to their intelligence, their social nature, and their deep ties to each other. This complex symphony of sounds and movements isn't just noise, it's a language, a conversation among giants. Their language is a complex symphony of sounds and movements, a testament to their intelligence and social nature. The symphony of the African elephant, however, is under threat. Yes, the harmonious rhythm of these gentle giants that so beautifully graces the African landscape is facing a disquieting discord. Two main threats cast long shadows over these magnificent animals: poaching and habitat loss. Poaching, the illegal hunting or capturing of wild animals, is a nefarious practice that has long plagued the African elephant. Driven by the insatiable demand for ivory, poachers ruthlessly kill these titans of the savannah, often leaving behind orphaned calves who struggle to survive without the guiding presence of their mothers. This not only disrupts the social structure of elephant herds, but it also interrupts the transmission of their complex language, causing a ripple of confusion and distress through the community. In addition, habitat loss is a silent yet deadly threat to the African elephant. As human populations expand and demand for land increases, the elephant's natural habitats are being fragmented and reduced. Forests are cleared, grasslands are turned into farmland, and rivers, once a vital source of water, are rerouted for human use. This not only deprives elephants of their homes and food sources, but it also forces them into closer contact with humans, often leading to deadly conflicts. This encroachment on elephant territories disrupts their intricate social networks and hampers their communication. Remember, elephants rely heavily on their social structure and communication for survival. Disruption of these crucial elements can have devastating effects on their population. The situation may seem dire, but it's not hopeless. Across the globe, individuals and organizations are fighting to protect these noble creatures and their symphony of communication. By curbing poaching, preserving habitats, and promoting peaceful coexistence between humans and elephants, we can ensure that the harmonious rhythm of the African elephant continues to resonate across the plains. As their numbers dwindle, so too does the rich tapestry of their communication. But let's not let the music fade away, because a world without the symphony of the African elephant is a world that's far less rich, far less diverse, and far less beautiful. But all is not lost for these gentle giants. In the face of adversity, we witness the rise of compassion and a renewed commitment to safeguarding our planet's biodiversity. Conservation efforts are being kindled around the world to protect elephants and their habitats, vital efforts that are becoming a beacon of hope for the future. The elephant's unique communication and social structure is a testament to their intelligence and emotional depth. To preserve these intricate dynamics, conservationists are working tirelessly to ensure that these gentle giants don't fall silent. They are implementing strategies that range from anti-poaching initiatives and habitat restoration to community education and legislation reform. Anti-poaching initiatives are one of the front lines in the battle for elephant conservation. Rangers risk their lives daily to protect these majestic creatures from illegal hunting. Their efforts fueled by a deep-seated respect for wildlife and an understanding of the critical role elephants play in our ecosystems. Habitat restoration is another crucial aspect of conservation. By reforesting areas and creating corridors between isolated elephant populations, we are facilitating their natural migratory patterns. thereby enhancing their chances of survival and reproduction. Community education is equally important. By fostering an understanding of the elephant's significance and teaching locals sustainable practices, we are creating a harmonious coexistence between humans and elephants. This not only safeguards the elephants but also enriches the lives of the local communities. Lastly, legislation reform is instrumental in ensuring long-term protection for elephants. By enforcing stricter laws and penalties for wildlife crimes, we can deter potential poachers and illicit traders, adding another layer of defense for our gentle giants. These global efforts are not just about preserving a species. They are about maintaining the harmony of our ecosystems. Elephants are a keystone species, their survival intricately linked to the health of our planet. With continued efforts, we can ensure that the symphony of the African elephant continues to echo through the plains of Africa. Our journey with the African elephant comes to a close, but their story continues. These gentle giants, with their unique and complex language, have captivated our hearts and minds. We've learned how they communicate, creating a symphony of sounds that echo across the vast plains of Africa, a testament to the intricate social bonds they share. We've also delved into the threats that cast a shadow over their existence. Poaching and habitat loss, challenges that seem insurmountable but are not. Because there is hope. Hope in the dedicated conservation efforts, in the changing attitudes and actions of humankind. The future of these magnificent creatures is in our hands. As we part ways with these majestic creatures, remember, every creature has a voice in the grand symphony of life. It's up to us to ensure those voices are heard. So let's continue to listen, to learn, and to act, for the symphony must go on.